back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a very unique dish. And you know what, this is a traditional dish in Tanzania. We call it Makande in Kiswahili. It's a mixture of maize and beans. I hope you're going to learn something unique. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is your time to do it before we continue to cook. And then if you have not turned on your notification button, it's your time to do that so that you don't need to miss any new recipe that I post. Now we're going to wash maize. And we will filter this water. Now I'm going to add the maize, and because the maize will take more time to cook than beans, so I'm going to cook the maize after they become like half cooked. Then I will add the beans inside of it. Now I'm going to add enough water, and I will start my stove and cook for 20 to 30 minutes in a medium heat. Now our maize are almost half cooked, so I have added the beans within it, and we're going to let it now cook together until full cooked before we continue with our last step. So as you can see now, I have already mixed the beans and the maize. The maize are half cooked. The beans are not cooked, but because the beans are softer than maize, they are almost going to cook together, and after about 20 to 30 minutes, this will be done, and we will be coming to finish the last step of making our makande. As I told you, this is a Tanzanian traditional food, and you don't need to miss trying it. It's so delicious. Now as you can see, our makande is cooking well. Obviously not yet, so we need to add more water, and stay patient. We need it to be very softy, so I'm going to add water, enough water, and cover it again. Our beans are doing well. As you can see, I'm grating. I have already grated the onions, and I'm going to grate the carrots, and I will add to our makande. The grated carrots will add flavor but also color. Will make our makande more colorful. As you can see, our makande is really creamy, and it's not creamy because the rice is not creamy. It's really thick, and as you can see now, we are going to add veggies to make it more colorful and more delicious. So these are the grated carrots and onion plus diced carrots. Remember to put your heat now very low so that your makande will not burn. You see, these carrots make our dish really more colorful. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then I'll tell you what else. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to bring taste in my dish. I'm telling you, this dish is so yummy. It's so yummy. And in Tanzania, it is common to one tribe. They call it Pare tribe. They really like this dish, but it can be eaten with anyone, and you can also try it in your country. It is really going to be delicious. Green pepper also add taste to our makande, but you need to make sure the seeds are not going in your dish. So we'll remove the seeds. We will just put this at the end. We don't need it to cook because we want it to release the taste in our food, so we will put it just in the last stage. Now our makande is doing well. Now we want to add coconut. To make it more creamy. I'm telling you, it is smelling so nice. The smell of coconut is making it even more nice. And we are going to let it cook maybe for 5 minutes. Then we will add the green pepper, and our dish will be ready to enjoy. Now I'm going to add the green pepper, and I'm not going to let it stay. It's almost done, and we don't want it to cook so long. Wow, this is done. Our meal is ready. Now I'm going to serve it. thank you for watching until this time. We are done with our Makande recipe. It's really delicious. Please, you can try to cook it and comment how did your dish turn out. If you have any questions, please do not forget to ask me in the comment below, and I'll be ready and I'll be happy to respond to your questions. And please don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, and stay healthy until when we meet.